Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody was questioning the Symmetry tool. I just did a video and he emailed me. When he goes to Object in Symmetry and add a symmetry, he was watching another person's video where they brought in guidelines or had guidelines, but with this, you can't see the guidelines. So to do with the Symmetry tool, you've got to set your guidelines first. And I've got my guidelines turned off, but if you look, if I bring in some guidelines and to draw something maybe symmetrically or non-symmetrically, but just give me some ideas, you have to set your guidelines first, and then you can go to Object, Symmetry, where you actually have to click off everything, go to Object, Symmetry, and add a symmetry. Now your guidelines are there, but they're really dim, but they are there. So you could go and use your, let's use the 3-point curve line and just kind of show what you could do with the symmetry tool and the guidelines. If you had some, you could click, it'll actually snap to that guideline and you can draw symmetrically with these guidelines, but you have to draw the guidelines first. That's pretty cool. Now you can always take the shape tool and round off nodes. You can select these nodes and make them, symmetrically or whatever you want. You can add nodes, and still change your symmetrical. It's pretty cool, but you have to have your guidelines in there first before you start the symmetrical. And now you see I flicked off of it, and to remove that, I can just remove the symmetrical. But you have to have your guidelines established first. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.